we ended blog creation in the last video. In this course and in this video, we are looking at blog management. How do you manage your blog? How do you know when people make comments on your blog? How do you know how to view the people and know where they are coming from? Move your mouse to statistics. You can always come down here and see. This will show you all the people where they are coming from. While we are still building this blog, we have 12 views from Nigeria and 1 view from United States. It will show you the Windows or Linux or Macintosh, so any browser or any thing they are using to watch it or view your blog will be displayed. So I'm using Chrome, so the browser is always shown. If you are watching from any operating system like Macintosh, Linux or Windows, it will always be shown as well. So you can view and see the different countries and their maps, where they are taking or where they are coming from. Now you can check source of traffic. If they are coming from Facebook, you are going to know. If they are coming from anywhere, you are going to know. If it's from search, you will know. Remember that the people who are viewing is including the admin. If you are the one viewing it, if you are the admin, you are the one also viewing. So these 12 views from Nigeria might mean that I am the one who has been viewing this for almost 12 times while I was creating the blog. So it's always counting. And you can see because 12 and I'm using Chrome for this course. So if any other person comes, it's going to show if the person uses Macintosh or Linux operating system. If you are using Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari or UC browser, they will all be shown under browsers. Now, if you are not visiting your site, you can go ahead and click on comment, and you see that I made a comment here, and the comment says, "This is amazing, thank you," on Gestivo Mission in Africa. So this is the post where I made this comment. You can always go back to your Gmail account where we created Gmail and go under socials. You can see that a new comment on Gestivo Mission in Africa, Gestivo Academy. So when you click on it, you can see George Steve has left a new comment on your post, Gestivo Mission in Africa, and the message is, "This is amazing, thank you." So you will always receive messages, and you should be always check your messages always to know who has commented on your post and the activities that are going on your site. So this is how you manage your site and know if you are really getting traffic, if you are getting comments, and if people are really visiting your site. So I believe that this really helps you to manage your site very well. Thank you and see you in next video.